The first to recite the Quran publicly, the courage of Abdullah ibn Masud, Radi Allahu Anhu. You know how, sometimes, one person's courage changes everything? In the early days of Islam, when Muslims were being tortured, mocked, and even killed for their belief, no one had dared to recite the Quran out loud in public. The danger was real. Quraysh didn't just disagree with Islam, they were violent. Abdullah ibn Masud, Radi Allahu Anhu, who had secretly embraced Islam after witnessing the Prophet Muhammad's, peace be upon him, character and teachings, now found himself at the forefront of a bold declaration of faith. One day, some companions were sitting together, and someone said, "The Quraysh haven't heard the Quran recited openly yet. Who's going to do it?" Everyone went quiet. Then, Abdullah ibn Masud, Radi Allahu Anhu, a young man, not from a powerful tribe, no big backing, stood up and said, "I will do it." They were shocked. "You? But the Quraysh will attack you. You don't have protection." He replied calmly, "Allah will protect me." The next morning, Ibn Masud, Radi Allahu Anhu, went to the Kaaba, right into the middle of the Quraysh gathering, and without fear, began reciting, Ar-Rahman, Alamal Quran. The Most Merciful. Taught the Quran. Surah Ar-Rahman. People turned, stunned. They shouted, "What is he saying?" Then, they pounced. They beat him. They kicked him. Blood poured from his face. But he kept reciting. Eventually they dragged him away. When he returned to the Prophet, peace be upon him, and the companions, bruised and bloodied, they said, "This is what we were afraid of." But Ibn Masud smiled and said, "Wallahi, the enemies of Allah have never seemed smaller to me than they do now." Lesson? It doesn't take size, strength, or status to speak the truth. It takes Iman. Abdullah ibn Masud, Radi Allahu Anhu, didn't just recite the Quran. He made history with it. Historical sources Ibn Hisham's Sirah, Tafsir Ibn Kathir, Musnad Ahmad all mention this powerful moment.